Ball screw support unit designed for CNC positioning, machine tools, industrial automation, robotics, and semiconductor equipment. CNC ball screw support unit for high-precision positioning. This specialized unit is designed to provide exceptional precision in positioning for a wide range of industrial applications. It ensures smooth and accurate movement, making it ideal for use in machine tools and other high-precision equipment. For example, in the automotive industry, it has been used to improve the accuracy of component assembly lines. Heavy-duty ball screw bearing block for machine tools. The heavy-duty ball screw bearing block is engineered to withstand the rigors of heavy loads and continuous operation in machine tools. Its robust design enhances stability and extends the lifespan of critical components. One notable use is in metal cutting machines, where it significantly reduces downtime due to wear and tear. High-rigidity ball screw support for industrial automation, with a focus on industrial automation. This ball screw support offers unparalleled rigidity. It effectively reduces deflection and vibration, ensuring consistent performance in high-speed and high-precision applications. A prime example is its use in electronics manufacturing, where it enables the production of smaller and more precise circuit boards, fixed and floating ball screw and support for robotics. This innovative end support system offers both fixed and floating options, providing flexibility for different robotic applications. It enables precise positioning and smooth operation, enhancing the overall performance of robotic systems. For instance, in warehouse automation, it allows robots to handle a variety of tasks with ease. Precision linear motion screw support for semiconductor equipment, customized for the stringent requirements of semiconductor manufacturing. This screw support ensures ultra-precise linear motion. It plays a crucial role in maintaining the high standards of accuracy and reliability essential for advanced semiconductor equipment. For example, it has contributed to the production of next-generation chips with improved performance and efficiency.